Check out this awesome setup here at Truck Access Plus. 6-foot bed Tacoma, very rare truck. Installing a RetraxPRO XR with a Yakima Crossbar system. You can see this installer making adjustments on this HD bar rack setup. This slides into the existing track system. This is a Retrax XR. This cover slides right back into the canister. You do take up some room with it, so that is the downside, but you can still see you can fit stuff under there. This is a clamp-on install with these clamps that slide into the track. And then you also see in the back these drain tubes that go out the corner of the bed to keep the water out. Retrax does a great job designing retractable bed covers. That's what they're known for. Yakima does a great job making rack accessories. That's what they're known for. So when they team up together to make this setup, it really changed the world for truck bed cover and truck bed rack combinations. This is the Yakima HD crossbar setup. Super solid, super low profile, super sexy. All three in the same combination. This is able to put racks on top like bikes or kayaks, any accessories you want. You could also see how he just pops it right off there and can take it off. So if you don't want it on your truck and you need to load up big furniture, just go out there, unscrew it, take it off real quick, or better yet, you can just slide these things all the way. Visit Truck Access Plus or watch our videos on YouTube or social media. We have the installation videos here to help you understand what you're getting when it comes to truck accessories.